Can you believe it? Another story of physical abuse of student athletes by teachers or coaches at the school that gave them scholarships. This time, it's the Heidel group and a young female athlete, the victim. What the devil is wrong with these people? Why them feel them have to resort to abusing these children? I mean, we know that children can be rude and unruly, and strong scolding and even disciplinary action might be warranted in certain circumstances. But there's a difference between scolding and abuse. There is a difference between reprimanding a child and using PVC pipe, and in this case, a tennis racket to batter and bruise the people in picnic. And this kind of abuse we're seeing right here is actually a criminal offense. And maybe it's going to take some of these people to be sent to prison for this thing stop. With all the good intention in the world, there is no reason for teachers and our coaches to be committing this level of physical assault on young students, no matter how they're bad. And how bad is a child complaining about her meal time or accepting visits from her brothers? It's not like she juke out somebody's eye or she rob a bank. And let me say this. If I was a student athlete and was illegally attacked by a coach or a teacher, worse, with a PVC pipe or a tennis racket, you know me, I defend it. Me, I defend it. It name self-defense.
Sports commentary brought to you by